students, good morning to you all. Myself, I am Dr. M. Indira, Associate Professor in Department of Biotechnology, Vignan's Foundation for Science, Technology and Research, located in Vadlamudi, Andhra Pradesh, India. So along with my colleague Dr. K. Prakash Narayan Reddy, we both are giving a series of lectures related to the course Microbiology. So this Microbiology 19BP 203, this course is designed for second year BTech Biotechnology students. So being a biotechnologist, we need to learn about microorganisms and we introduce this course Microbiology. So the first topic is Introduction to Microbiology. So in this first unit, there are several topics are there where we will learn about microorganisms, how we can identify the microorganisms using different staining techniques, what is spontaneous generation theory, germ theory of disease, and different microscopy techniques and discovery of microorganisms. Before going to all these topics, first we will see the introduction to microbiology. So you all are new to this course. So what is microbiology? What are microorganisms? We will learn from this introductory part. If you see these microorganisms, they are microscopic in nature. Microscopic means we can't see with our naked eye. So the chair, table, everything we can see with our eye. Whereas microorganisms we can't see with our eye. So to see these microorganisms we need microscope. They are microscopic in nature. Micrometer size means 10 power minus 6. So using light microscope only we can see these microorganisms. And why we have to study about these microorganisms means these microorganisms play an important role in our daily life. Not only our daily life, in the entire ecosystem. The entire earth is dominated by these microorganisms. They are evolved around 3.5 billion years ago till they are dominating the entire earth. And these microorganisms, they are beneficial as well as harmful. Beneficial in the sense means the antibiotics, whatever we are using for our infections, bacterial diseases, these antibiotics are produced by microorganisms. Whatever the food we are eating, every day the curd, milk and fermented pickles, all consists of microorganisms. Not only these microorganisms causes the diseases. What are those diseases? Cholera disease, tuberculosis disease, and intestinal infections, respiratory infections, all these caused by microorganisms. And these microorganisms, they have beneficial as well as harmful effects. So to learn the beneficial point of view as well as harmful point of view, we need to understand the microorganisms. Now we will see the microorganisms in the introductory part. The objective of this topic is to overview the concept of microbiology and its allied fields and to review the historical events in the microbiology field. After going through this topic, the expected outcomes from you all are the concept of microbiology and its allied fields will be known and the historical events in the microbiology field will be acquainted. So we will see all these aspects in the coming slides. Before going to this, now see the animation.
Of all the kingdoms of life, Kingdom Protista is perhaps one of the most diverse and interesting. Kingdom Protista spans from single-celled organisms with various means of locomotion and obtaining energy to huge kelp, hundreds of feet in length, that create expansive underwater forests that are home to a wide variety of marine life. But what do these diverse forms of life have in common? First, the cells of all protists have a nucleus and other complex organelles, unlike the prokaryotes of the domains archaea and bacteria, which have neither nuclei or complex organelles. Secondly, all the members of kingdom Protista have one or more characteristics that prevent them from being classified in kingdom fungi, animalia, or plantae. For example, though there are protists that bear a striking resemblance to fungi, molecular analysis reveals that the cell walls of these protists are made up of cellulose, not the chitin found in all fungi. Another example is that, though a form of green algae now classified in kingdom Protista is believed to have given rise to the members of kingdom Plantae, the method of reproduction nevertheless differs significantly between algae and plants. Finally, though there are animal-like protists which are believed to have given rise to all the larger organisms found in kingdom Animalia, these single-celled protists aren't classified as animals simply because, by definition, animals are multicellular. Various modes of nutrition are represented in kingdom Protista. The algae of kingdom Protista are autotrophs that trap solar energy and convert it to chemical energy through photosynthesis. Predatory protists like amoeba and paramecium are heterotrophs that obtain energy and nutrients by capturing and ingesting prey. Many fungi-like protists are saprotrophs, which absorb nutrients from dead or decaying organic matter, while a variety of protists are parasites. As alluded to earlier, the ancestors of modern protists are believed to have given rise to fungi, plants, and animals. To the confusion of taxonomists, many protists, such as Euglena, fit equally well into animal-like or plant-like categories. Euglena, for example, have photoreceptors and can swim toward a stimulus, features commonly associated with animals. But they use these abilities to seek light levels appropriate for photosynthesis, a process associated with plants. Thus, Protistan taxonomy is still the subject of revision and controversy. Here we group members of the kingdom Protista into three categories: the fungus-like slime and water molds, animal-like protozoa, and the plant-like unicellular and multicellular algae.